Welcome everybody, dear teacher, dear classmates, and authorities of the UTPL. I hope you are fine today and with your minds in a positive way. So please listen to me about the topic for today. My name is Michel Fernando Sales Elizalde, and in the current academic writing course, I need to explain something a little bit about what are some similarities and differences between paragraphs and essays. Well, in a paragraph, we have three parts: topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. And in essay, instead, we have also three parts, but an introductory paragraph, body paragraphs that can be 1, 2, or 3, and the concluding paragraph. Well, as you can notice, the similarity here is that in both cases, we have three parts. But the length of the information is different, because in a paragraph we just have something around 8 lines, and in essay we have 5 paragraphs. That means that the amount of information is bigger than this one. Well, now let's continue relating one by one, making some differences and similarities between the parts of both cases. Well, the topic sentence has a subject, a controlling idea, and sometimes the greatest point of view. And the introductory paragraph instead has the hook, the background information, and the thesis statement. Well, here the similarity that we can relate these ones is that the topic sentence tells the reader why he or she needs to read this piece of writing. And the introductory paragraph has the thesis statement that has the same function. Tells the reader why he or she needs to read this piece of writing, and says the aspects that are going to discuss in each paragraph. Well, the hook also, well, these three parts have the function to tell the reader this information is going to be good for he or for she, for the reader I mean. And here the three parts tells also the reader why the topic is important, and here why it's important, and the controlling idea says why to talk about this subject, like education. For example, I would like to say you an example. Let me think. Education is something indispensable these days for students, controlling idea, because the reason is the writer's point of view. Why the writer think this is going a good idea for the reader to read. I mean, well, in this way, these first parts are related, because they say to the reader why he or she needs to get this information. Next, we have the supporting sentences and the body paragraphs that in both cases explain or give reasons to the topic sentence in the paragraph, and in the essay it explains the thesis statement, as I mentioned before. In the thesis statement are the main aspects to be discussed in the body paragraphs. So this is the relation, the similarities. In both cases, explain or give reasons for the topic sentence of the introductory paragraph in the thesis statement. And next, we have the concluding sentence that tells the reader that the piece of writing is end up with an opinion, a suggestion, or restating the topic sentence. That means saying the topic sentence with other words. and instead in the concluding paragraph that also conclude the information, but in this way, in this case, it summarizes the most important of whole essay about the thesis statement. In this restate the thesis statement with other words. So this is the relation between those. In both cases, we can restate the topic sentence in the paragraph, and the essay restate the thesis statement. Well, these are some similarities and differences between paragraphs and essays. So for me, it is all, and I would like to say thank you for listening to me, and see you in the next day. Thank you so much. Goodbye.